life lessons. Woo. So you know what's underneath this cup, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what's underneath that one now?
Oh, yes,
Red.
yes.
What is it?
Raisins.
Cool. All right. I'm going to give you an important decision to make. All right. And the cup that you choose,
Yeah.
you can get to keep whatever is in the cup. Okay?
Obviously this one.
Are you sure? I'm going to give you a chance to change your mind.
I do not like raisins, so...
Are you sure?
Yes.
Your final choice. Your final chance.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Life lessons. Okay.
Thanks.
You want to see what's in this one?
Okay. Raisins.
Check the cup.
No! What is that?